through the NDSS, they send out a magazine, and in it was a mention of DESMOND. And I thought, who's DESMOND?
This DESMOND program may be a little different to other programs that you've been to. It won't be a lecture.
It's quite a friendly, relaxed environment and very easygoing. They select, small groups at a time.
Just received a diagnosis and I was worried, and I figured the more I learn about it, the better it will be for me to be able to manage.
For those that engaged with it, they found it really empowering. It gave them a lot of information, and that was the information then they could take back to their normal lives and make their different food choices and exercise choices, and it was really good for them.
Can you tell us what medication it is you're on now?
So now I'm again back to slow release metformin.
Okay.
Being able to reduce the dosage and then have it more extended throughout the day rather than having it regularly.
It's only diabetes and I can handle that, it's no problem. You can't. You do need to know what type 2 diabetes is, how it's going to affect you, and how you're going to manage it. And to be honest with you, I sound like an ad, but I don't want to sound like this. DESMOND has helped me tremendously. And I think the minute you know you've got diabetes, go to a DESMOND session.
So thinking then about some of those symptoms that you had at that time that you were diagnosed, relating to that higher level of glucose then in the blood.
Can I ask a question?
Yes.
Really burning at that point.
Yeah.
If that's happening, and why do you want sugar if you've got so much in you? Because that was my realisation.
Okay.
Everybody's story is different, and there's so much to learn because it affects people in different ways. Yeah, I found it really beneficial.
The amount of information that I got from DESMOND, from the workshop today and the one-on-one previously, has been so mind-blowing to me that it's helped me understand what it is, how to manage it, and how to keep on managing it. And I've also met other people that made me think, oh, I'm not alone.
Quite often we build care plans around, what we might have used for Mrs. Smith 2 weeks ago or Mr. Jones a few weeks ago. If we can actually build a care plan around their goal of care, then we're actually going to get better outcomes for the patient.
I really feel that the benefits from DESMOND should be made actually compulsory, because the minute you're diagnosed by your doctor, I think that it should be part of your programme of managing your diabetes is to go along to a DESMOND workshop. It really does, really does tell you so much more and help you manage so much better your type 2 diabetes.